Hi, my name is Sarah. I'm a professional artist based in the Pacific Northwest and Hawaii. I joined Wade on 3 different retreats, one in Punta Mita, one in Carlsbad, and another in Santa Barbara. My husband also went with me. He's a total beginner artist, but he also had a lot of fun, and we both learned so much in such a short amount of time. So I can't recommend these retreats highly enough, and I can't wait to go on another one myself, so hope to see you there. Bye.
Hi, I'm Stephen Jones. I'm a friend of Wade's. I've been under his tutelage for a couple of years in painting. Wade has worked with me in loosening up my painting, coming to intentional strokes, and just feel great about all of my progress under him.
Hey all, I went to the surf and paint retreats in Nicaragua and Punta Mita. I had the time of my life and can't recommend it enough. Doesn't matter if you're beginner through advanced, Wade's gonna meet you where you are. He's a great guide and teacher. It was a huge part in taking my creativity and my painting to the next level.
I first met Wade in Solana Beach at his gallery there. I was excited to learn that he was doing workshops, so I signed up for my first one. Really enjoyed it. As you can tell, I'm really loving them because I'm getting ready to do my 4th one at this point. Here's an example of the work that I did while I was with him. I'd highly recommend his classes to anyone that's interested.